Hello viewers, welcome to AudioWiz 360. Today I have these Huawei Freelace wired Bluetooth earphones. So I am going to show you how to do factory reset of this device. So what we have to do is like there will be a button on the right side. So just we have to press and hold it for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, red light will blink for 3 times. Then white light will start blinking. That means it has been restored to factory default. So factory reset has been done. So let me do it practically here to show you how. So alright, now I am going to press and hold this for 10 seconds. You can see the lights. So now it is in pairing mode actually. White light is blinking. For factory reset, it should be, red light should be blinking 3 times. You can see. Now this has been, factory reset has been done to these earbuds. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. So please go through it. If you like, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AudioWiz 360 because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.